Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are safe and doing well. I'm MD.YUSUF. Let's take you to the presentation.
Today, I'm going to discuss about Alzheimer's disease or AD, which is commonly seen in older people aging over 65. What is Alzheimer's disease or AD? It is an irreversible progressive brain disease that slowly destroys cognitive functions and characterized by memory loss and forgetfulness. In 10 to 15 years, the patient becomes profoundly disabled, mute, and immobile. The first case was reported by Dr. Alois Alzheimer. Hence, the disease is named after him as Alzheimer's disease. What happens in AD? The manifestations or symptoms are shown here within this infographic. Confusion with time and location. The patient usually misplaces his current location and also fails to remember the time. The most prominent symptom is memory loss, which remains at the bottom of each other symptoms. Other symptoms include misplacing items, difficulty performing familiar tasks, poor judgment, etc. What's wrong in AD? There are 4 hypotheses that describes the pathogenesis of Alzheimer's. Let's discuss the cholinergic hypothesis. It has been widely accepted that the cholinergic neurotransmissions in brain play a critical role in learning and memory. Cholinesterase enzymes break down the acetylcholine in synaptic cleft and reduce cholinergic transmission. Here, this is the synaptic cleft and the breakdown of acetylcholine is shown here. According to this cholinergic hypothesis, loss of cholinergic neurons in the basal forebrain causes learning and memory deficit of Alzheimer's. Now, we are going to know about the beta amyloid hypothesis. This chain here represents APP or amyloid precursor protein. Abnormal proteolytic cleavage of APP results in beta amyloid 40 and 42. These two are the abnormal isoform of beta amyloid protein. Aggregation of these two abnormal proteins causes precipitation of extracellular beta amyloid plaques, here shown in green. The extracellular beta amyloid plaques are shown in green. They induce neuronal death and Alzheimer's. Let's move to oxidative stress hypothesis. The oxidative stress cascade led by reactive oxygen species shown here induces mitochondrial dysfunction leading to neurodegeneration. Oxidative stress is also involved in beta amyloid and tau mediated neuronal degradation. Now the last one, tau hypothesis. Phosphorylation of microtubule associated protein tau, here shown. Phosphorylation causes degeneration of microtubules and also produce free tau proteins, which further produce neurofibrillary tangles or intracellular aggregates that ultimately leads to neuronal death and dementia. What are the solutions to AD? Well, there is no treatment that can cure AD completely. But these 4 FDA-approved drugs shown here, they are used to ameliorate the signs and symptoms of the disease. 3 of the drugs, galantamine, donepezil, and rivastigmine, are cholinesterase inhibitors, while memantine is NMDA receptor blocker. That's the end of today's discussion. Thank you.